Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to make a pie chart in Excel within less than 5 minutes. Okay, so today we will see how to make a pie chart within a 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes we will do a pie chart. Okay, so do you know why the pie chart is one of the most commonly used chart in Excel? Because it's so useful. Pie chart can show a lot of information in a small amount of space. They primarily show how difference value add up to a whole. Okay, so before we start, we will know why we use a pie chart. Okay, so the first reason is it can show a lot of information at once. Many charts specialize in showing one thing like the value of category, but pie chart are great for showing both a value and a proportion for each category. Okay, and the second reason for using the pie chart, it allows for immediate analysis. Okay, so the way in which data is presented by pie chart makes it very easy to make comparison quickly. They allow viewer to analyze the data in a snap, which means you can analyze a data in very easy way. Okay, and other than that, you are using a chart for in the first place, isn't it? Means you don't need to go anywhere. You are using the pie chart in the same place only. And the third reason is it requires a little additional explanation. Okay, some graphs and charts include complicated information and aren't it's not so clear. Okay, a box plot for example might leave audience scratching their heads. Okay, but nearly everyone knows how to read a pie chart. It's very simple to read a pie chart. That makes it easier for you to present and for them to interpret. Okay, and the fourth reason for using the pie chart is variation. Variation gives you more options. There are many different kind of pie charts and they each have distinct visual advantages. We will only be going over the basic charts here, but keep this mind, we have a lot of pie chart. Okay, if you want to present your pie chart in a different format, there are probably a way to do it. Okay, so let's see with the example of various pie chart. Okay, so I have created a data so we can insert a pie chart quickly. Okay, so this is product and unit sold. So just select that data, go to insert, and here a pie chart. Either you can normal pie chart, a 3D or a donut. Okay, I am going to select the simple pie chart. Okay, and you have a lot of design. You can choose any one of them. See, okay, you can choose any one of them. See, we have a lot of design and here quick layout. Okay, add chart elements. See, if you want to add data labels, you can add it from here only. Best fit, I'll select the best fit or inside end. Okay, you can change the color from here, whatever color you want to choose, you can choose it from here. Okay, and the format. See, if you don't want to see this one, I'll delete it. I'll delete the heading also. And if you want to change the shape fill, you can choose it anything. Or if you don't want to fill anything, just no fill. Shape outline, no outline. Okay, if I'll remove grid line, see how it looks. It looks great. Okay, and if you want to insert a 3D format, you can use that also. See, you can use, and it's ready made. You don't want to do anything, just choose whatever format you want. See, you can choose this. Okay, see, okay, if you don't want to this, just you can delete or you can keep it. And from here, suppose I want to add one more data, like anything. I'll put pen drive. Okay, and I'll put 12,000, and I want to add this into the chart. So you can right click, select data, and here you can select all this, click OK. So here is pen drive is also come. Okay, or you can select from here also. See, select, and same thing. You want to switch rows and column, you can click that, again click that. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can choose it from here as per your requirement. So this is a pie chart, and it's very useful chart. You can use it in your dashboard. Okay, and it's, you can create in very quick. It's less than 5 minutes you can create a pie chart. And in the small pie chart you can see a lot of information here. Okay, so I hope you understood the pie chart, and if you have any query regarding pie chart, you can email me. Thank you so much.